Extra wide. Expands to fit openings between 29, -34.5, 39, -42, and 44.5, -47 inches wide. Stands 30 inches tall. Please be sure measure your opening prior to purchase to ensure proper fit. Easy to use and set up. Pressure mount design that is quick to set up. Please note, before installation there will be a gap between the gate latch and the frame, which is not a defect and it is not bent. This gap will be eliminated once installed. Adjustable. Includes a 4-inch wide and 12-inch wide extension kit and 4 pressure mount spindle rods. Perfect for doorway, hallway and bottom of stair use. Gate can quickly be removed out of the opening for easy storage. Additional extension sold separately. Durable and convenient. The all-steel design is durable and convenient with a walk-through door. Certified to both JPMA and ASTM standards. Wipes clean. Safety. Includes multiple safety lock features, 4 wall cups for added security and mounting hardware. Perfect for children 6 to 24 months. Great for pets too. Top reviews from the United States. Easy fixed gate can be moved from place to place and the door is a very good idea, make easy access. Child can kick and stay put on the place. Very good.